Hey guys, it's Adam. I'm going to show you how to make some smoothies that your kids will enjoy. Actually, anybody can enjoy these. Some of the stuff is healthy, most of it is healthy. Some of the stuff you may be thinking, ooh, I don't want my kids to have that, but my kids like it. I like to throw in some stuff that they don't even know about. Of course, watching this, they will know about, but if you want to throw in some healthy stuff, this is how it works. So here we go. This is what I already put together. As of right now, I have some, my kids like the tropical frozen. Where is it? These ones. Organic, because why not? Peaches, mango, strawberry, pineapple. No sugar added. I mean, come on now. Obviously that's great. What I normally do is I put a bunch of these together, put them in the freezer so you guys can have them later. So I put in some yogurt. Chobani's a good one. Chobani's a good one. And I put in some fresh strawberries. Just got those the other day, and some frozen berries. Cinnamon. Vanilla, all that stuff's really good. I like it too. I usually make these, so I like it. So, my secret, just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. A little bit of vanilla, kind of tastes good. Look at that. Yeah, I eyeball everything. My favorite mug. What else do I got? This is the key ingredient, spinach. Gotta get your kids to eat this. Whoops, I get in trouble. So I'm gonna use scissors. So I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of spinach. Kind of ton. Take a handful, throw it in there. Okay, if I'm putting it in one of these, just take a little bit. Little bit goes a long way. Okay, of course, when they make these, they're gonna know that there's spinach in it. I don't care. Okay, we're gonna love these anyways. Put that over there. Ooh, got some berries. Water. Water's good. Okay, maybe half. Oops, a little bit more. You have oranges. I do have an orange that you can cut in half. You can squeeze that in. Water actually fills up a lot of it. Different juices. Okay, that works actually. I don't even, maybe some ice. Some ice. Oh my gosh. Alexa, volume up. Oh my gosh. How does that work? I don't know. Anyways. Some vanilla ice. My kid used to say vanilla. All right, a little bit more water. That's how beautiful that is. You don't have to use yogurt. You can use other stuff. Twist that on. Look at this. Look at this. I use the NutriBullet. It's the balance. You know, it's about balance. Everything in life is about balance, and that's kind of how I live. Make sure that's on. I've seen some really bad accidents. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, I can tell that it's a little thick, so pop that down. Look at that. Look at that. So it's a little thick. A little bit more water. Water is just amazing. You know what? Water. You don't know it's water, but really it is water. Look at that. This is just beautiful. It's a beautiful creation. Sometimes you could add beets. I know Chrissy told me I should add beets. Not Dre Beats, because where you're rocking. Yo man, we be out of here, wood to your mother. I'm not gonna do beats on this one. Dude, you can just like dance. Let's see how pretty this is. Alright, we're gonna do a couple glasses. Added cider cup. Dude, I'm selling out like crazy. So the kids attacked me, got the smoothies. I didn't even have a chance. I did get some of it, so I hit a little bit, but I want to show you some other stuff that I did add to the smoothies. Look how pretty those are. Whoops. Look at the color. I mean, that's beautiful. Here we go. Here's some stuff. How do I do this? Ooh, look at that. Look at, you can add some sliced peaches. I would drain out the syrup. Mandarin oranges. I would drain out the syrup. Look how healthy this is. Cranberry, just cranberry. It's not very good though. Can you guys see that stuff? Yeah. Look at this flaxseed meal. They won't even know unless you show them this video. So don't show them this video. It's good for, it's organic too, it's crazy. Yeah, it's got a lot of good stuff in it, I think. You know, Chrissy made me add it. Look at this honey, this is from one of her friends. I mean, look at that, this stuff is good. Add that later, don't add it to the bag, because look, I added it to the, it got all over. Ew. Ew. Cinnamon, some vanilla. If you're gonna do one that is mainly, maybe it doesn't have a lot of fruit in it, use avocados. You know, those are spectacular. What else? So that was kind of it. Look at this selfie stick. This is, I've never had a selfie stick before. Look at that. So hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you think of anything else to put in these. All right, hey. Bye guys.